Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into the Maxtang N100 mini PC, a compact powerhouse running Windows 11 Pro and powered by the 12th Gen Intel N100 processor. This little machine promises a lot, so let's see if it delivers. First impressions are great. The Maxtang N100 is truly small, making it ideal for tight spaces or anyone who wants a clutter-free desk. Don't let the size fool you, though. Inside beats an Intel N100, a 4-core, 4-thread processor with a boost clock up to 3.4 GHz and a 6 MB cache. Maxtang claims a significant performance jump over previous generation processors, and in testing, it shows. Everyday tasks like browsing, document editing, and streaming video are handled with ease. The N100 shows a performance improvement of approximately 36% over the Celeron N5105 and a whopping 127% over the AMD 3020E. The integrated graphics are perfectly adequate for general use and even some light gaming. Don't expect to run the latest AAA titles at max settings, but for older games or less demanding titles, it's surprisingly capable. The inclusion of Windows 11 Pro is a huge plus, offering features like BitLocker encryption and remote desktop, making it suitable for both home and business use. The model we're looking at comes with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB SSD, providing plenty of memory for multitasking and fast storage for your files and applications. Connectivity is also well covered. It features USB 3.2 ports for fast data transfer and a LAN port for a stable network connection. The ability to output 4K at 60 Hz is great for connecting to a high-resolution monitor or TV. One of the standout features of this mini PC is how quiet it is. Even under load, the cooling system keeps the N100 running smoothly without generating excessive noise. This makes it perfect for use in quiet environments like offices or home theaters. Overall, the Maxtang N100 is a surprisingly capable and versatile mini PC. It's perfect for anyone who needs a compact, energy-efficient computer for everyday tasks, light gaming, or media consumption. The combination of the Intel N100 processor, Windows 11 Pro, ample RAM and storage, and quiet operation make it a compelling option in the mini PC market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.